Good morning, fishaholics. It ain't very early morning, but it's early morning. I'll admit, had a rough last couple days, so it was let's just say I was in no hurry to get up this morning. But if you haven't ascertained by now, we on a beautiful Lake Fork, Texas. And I'm just up this morning trying to prep, get some stuff ready to hit the water. It's my first time fishing Lake Fork. Most likely won't be my last, but I do want to make this first trip a memorable one. So whenever we get my boy Smoke up, a good friend of mine, Rick Smokey, brought me out here for a camping trip. So maybe you'll get more than one video out of this. Anyway, I'm gonna get rigged up with these rods, and maybe Smokey will be awake by then, and we can hit this water and make it do what it do. So the mission has changed, and we are crappie fishing. Ha ha ha. Yeah, the mission has changed, and we are crappie fishing, and Smoke just hooked up on a damn catfish. What a disappointment. You gotta get that on your own, man. You gotta get rid of that one yourself. This line gonna be all slimy. Gross. So we got some live minnows on the crappie jigs. Just tossing out, letting it hit the bottom, and I jig it up and down. Oh, we got a bass on the line. Oh, damn. For real. Oh, Smoke on the hog.
Hey, come on, you got to get the picture, bro.
All right. Let me set this down.
Solid 2.5, probably. Hell yeah.
Let me get closer. Yeah, the shape of this whole little inlet is the shape of a horseshoe. I was looking at it on the map.
Got it?
Yep. Finally hooked up on something. Yeah, it's something heavy, catfish probably.
Maybe not.
Dang. Whatever it is, it don't want to come up. It is peel and drag. I'm just trying to get away from the stump so he don't go wrap me around. Oh, it's a bass.
Is it?
Yeah.
How big?
It don't look as big as yours was.
Shit. caught the bass fish, bro.
I did, and I got one, and I am happy on this light gear.
That makes it even funner.
Yep. He do not want to come up, bro. Oh, okay. There you go. He's foul hooked. That's why he feels so heavy. Oh. It's still a good catch. In my book. Yep. Finally got a fish on the boat. He's not as big as yours, but he's a solid too.
Hold on, I gotta take a picture.
Well, let me get this hook out of his shoulder.
Hell yeah. Got that backdrop and shit. Boom. Got you, bro.
All right, appreciate it. Let's get a release on this guy. See you, Wreck-It Ralph. You know, I was on the bottom and then I raised it up and I felt something tug and I set the hook. And then I guess that's when he was, because the minnow was already gone. He must have already ate that minnow. I was trying to respond to a text on my watch. Yeah, first Lake Fork bass. I ain't mad at it.
You ain't mad about it, huh?
Right, I ain't mad about it at all. Not at all. He's alive.
Come on, come on, little fella.
I see a minnow floating right there too.
Yeah, there's a big brush pile right here and right over where you're at there. That one?
Yep.
Another bass.
Probably so. I would say he couldn't have been down here by himself.
Yeah, I was just thinking the same thing.
Oh, there it is.
There
Drum.
That's a goo.
A who?
Goo?
A goo?
Yeah.
Is that another word for drum?
Yeah, it's a drum.
Oh. Cause you know what? You eat these?
Oh.
They good.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
I didn't think they were at first.
Watch, man, he's fixing to poop.
I didn't think they were at first, but
I mean, people like red drum, you know. Red
yeah.
fish.
My brother told me, so you just gotta cook them right. I thought, like, I tried to pressure cook them. You know, you gotta fry them, deep fry them. Or, yeah, fry them like you do catfish. Good as hell. Good texture too. Like, I tried to pressure cook it like I would do bass, and it was like the texture was rubbery.
Damn, man.
See you, fella. God damn. Damn.
Good fight, though.
Yeah. When I saw that big old white flash, what in the hell could this be? But I forgot about those guys. I always catch them bass fishing.
Right.
Alright guys, there goes it for this video, or this mission. Not quite what we were expecting. We may stay a few more days and see if we can get on some crappie or some bass, and either way it go, we ain't let up. We never let up, but catfish doesn't make us happy, so catch y'all on the next mission. Peace. Barely kicking.